In spinner fishing, there's a bunch of different variables, but to start with, I like to keep it simple. Typically, I'm going to start with just a number 5 deep cup Colorado blade when I'm fishing situations such as we are out here in the mud on Green Bay today. But there are a few adjustments that I'll make if it's a situation where you're post-frontal, or you feel like the water temps have dropped, maybe the fish are shut down a little bit. I'm going to drop down to a size 4. But in some situations, I'll go to just a standard Colorado. I've found that sometimes, those fish want a little bit different vibration, and that standard Colorado with no cup can be a big difference maker. These fish kind of change throughout the year with what they're targeting for a forage species, which is kind of a cool deal. We have a huge alewife run. At that point, I'm going to be going with my purples and whites for blades. Right now, what we're kind of seeing is the fish seem to be keying more on perch-colored pattern blades, as well as kind of a wild card, which is a copperback blade with a little bit of red in it. That's been a pretty good color for us too. But you have to experiment. As the conditions change, the fish will change throughout the day, different light conditions. You just have to pay attention to what you're doing and be willing to experiment with a bunch of different patterns.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.